afternoon, my YouTube viewers. It is Crystal here, and I wanted to make a new video for you. This video that I'm going to be making is on the Poisson distribution, and basically the Poisson distribution is a discrete distribution. We're going to talk about the probability distribution function, which is PDF, and the cumulative distribution function, which is CDF. So we have our input values, because as before I said it's a discrete. So our input values are going to be from 0 to 10. And then what we're going to do is we're going to create the PDF for the Poisson distribution. And we're going to do that by using Excel's Poisson.dist function, where A3, $B, $15 false. So basically what we're doing is A3 is the input, and $B, $15 is the mean, and the mean is 5. And false indicates that it is a PDF. And so we copy the formula all the way down to number 10. And so you have the values of number 10. And now what we're going to do is the CDF, which is the cumulative distribution function. And the cumulative distribution function is the same as the PDF function, except for it's going to be true instead of false. So I've got the formula for the probability distribution function here, if you're interested in that, if you're into mathematics, and you can do it. There's the formula. And now what we're going to do is we're going to look at the graphs, because whenever you prepare a distribution, what you want to do is you want to visualize it, because visualizing helps you determine what it is. So we've got a column chart of the PDF, and you can see that that column chart looks similar to a normal distribution. But then we've got the column chart of the CDF, because the CDF is cumulative, and then the CDF has to sum up to 1. So we've got the cumulative here. And then just to do another chart, we did a scatter plot. So when you see the scatter plot of the PDF, you can see it's sort of like a normal distribution. It's not quite a normal distribution, but it's sort of like a normal distribution. And then when we do the CDF, you can see that it's a cumulative and it totals 1. And now what I decided to do was I decided to do another graph, and this graph is just showing you how much space you've got in there, and it's just another way to do it. We've got the PDF and the CDF. So if you want to make a graph, put a graph in there, and you don't know how to do it, what you do is you section off your input values and the PDF or the CDF, and you go to Insert, and you go Recommended Charts, and then so we've got here a cluster column chart here, and you select that as being okay, and then when you select that, the chart will actually come on the screen and you can move it around. But I'm not going to select it because we already have a cluster column chart. But if you want another chart, you can do another chart. You've got a line chart, a pie chart. But the thing about pie charts, you should only use a pie chart if you have just a few elements. You do a bar chart, but I like a cluster column chart better. An area chart, that's what I did previously. An XY scatter plot, a map plot, a stock plot, a surface chart, a tree, no, that's a radar, a tree map, a sunburst, a histogram, a box and whisker, a waterfall chart, a funnel, and a combo. but we're not going to do any of those because I've got 3 charts all there already. I just wanted to show you how to create a chart if you want to be able to create a chart. So that concludes this video presentation on the Poisson distribution chart. It's a discrete distribution, and we've covered the input values, the probability distribution function, the cumulative distribution function, the mean, and the graphics to display them. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching my video. I look forward to making another video for you in the future.